What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify. I'm gonna be explaining to you everything you need to know guys about how you can start right now. Now the first thing you need to do guys, of course, is to create an account on CJ. So I already have an account. I'm just going to click on sign in and I'm going to use my Google account to log in. Now after guys you log in into your CJ Dropshipping, I am going to be showing you how you can start listing products, how you can how you can make this automated. So every time this item sells, CJ will ship the product directly to the customer. Now the first thing, like I said, you need to do is to connect your Shopify to CJ. So how you can do that, it's very simple and quick. You just want to click on authorization in the top left, authorization, and you want to click on Shopify. Now after guys you click on Shopify, you want to click on add store. Okay, and after guys you click on add store, if it takes you directly to this page, that's good. If it doesn't take you, it will ask you guys to add your Shopify URL. Okay, because I already added my Shopify to this CJ account, that's why it says this here. It says here Shopify authorization. That's why you see this page. Now for you, probably if it doesn't take you to the same page as me, you just want to copy the Shopify URL, click on settings. This is your Shopify URL. Okay, paste it there. Now if it take you to the same page as me, that's good. You just want to click on authorize. As you can see, authorize, and it will take you directly guys to download an app. Okay, it's called CJ Dropshipping. You want to install the app on your phone, on your Shopify. Now after you install the app, it will ask you guys, by the way, you have to click on install app in the top right. Now after you install it, it will take you to this page. You want to click on authorize, and then you want to click confirm, and you want to click again authorize. And as you can see, we have successfully connected our CJ account to Shopify. Now we scroll down a little bit, click on a list now, and you want to find a product that you are interested in. You want to find your competitors on Facebook. You just want to watch some ads on Facebook, and you want to check what people are interested in and what ads are being shown. Like see if there are ads that get high engagement, like see the comments, see if people are interested in the ads. And then you want to search for that product on CJ. In the top here, you want to search for that product, and then you want to list it. But if you are using TikTok organic traffic, you want to go to TikTok and see what people are selling, see your competitors, see what people are doing on TikTok, and find that exact product on CJ and list it. Now after you find the product, listing is very easy and quick. You just want to find the product that you are interested in, click on that product. Now after guys you click on the product, what you need to do guys next is scroll down a little bit and click on list. Okay, now after you click on list guys, as you can see where it says here product type, you want to add here add new, and you want to just add test or whatever you want, and then click confirm. And where it says here collections, you can go with homepage or whatever you want. Where it says vendor, you want to click on test, you want to add new and then add test, click confirm, and then scroll down a little bit. And this is very important, you want to click on shipping method, and then you want to select let me check right now. Okay, I'm going CJ packet sensitive. This one is very fast, it's 8 days shipping. That's what I like about CJ compared to AliExpress, like the shipping time is very quick. Now as you can see the price, okay, this is how much money CJ will take off the sale. So every time someone buys this product from you on Shopify, CJ will take $14 of the price of the item. So you have to click here, as you can see, and then you wanna mark up the price. You wanna make it higher because you are still paying for the, I would say, you are still paying for the advertising. And if you are using TikTok, that means you are paying for you pay zero money to TikTok because of the organic free traffic. Now in the top you want to add the price, for example $19.99, and then you want to click OK, and then you want to click on list it now. Now the product will be listed into your Shopify store. You want to go to your Shopify, click on products, as you can see, and you will find that product here. and then you can start advertising this product. Now if you want to advertise on TikTok, guys, I made a video about that. Click the video in the screen so that you can advertise. You can add your TikTok, your Shopify link to TikTok bio, and then you can start making money with organic free traffic on TikTok. That's what I do, guys, most of the time. So if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment on YouTube. Like, you just want to leave a comment about your question and I will reply to you within a few minutes. See you guys next video.